Struggling with droopy or hooded eyelids? Here's how to naturally lift and brighten your eyes without surgery. Hi, I'm Maria Sobinina, creator of the Happy Face Method by Beauty Biologicals. I help you achieve a naturally lifted, youthful face using face exercises, massage techniques, and targeted skincare strategies. Today, we're focusing on hooded eyelids when the skin above your eyes droops, making your eyes look smaller, tired, or aged. The good news? You can lift your eyelids naturally. Hooded eyelids form due to the weakening of key eye muscles, including the levator palpebrae superioris and orbicularis oculi muscles. Here's why this happens. Aging and loss of elasticity. Over time, skin loses firmness, causing sagging. Weak eyelid muscles. The levator palpebrae superioris, which lift your upper eyelids, and orbicularis oculi, which controls blinking, weaken, making the eyelid skin droop. Fluid retention and puffiness. Poor circulation leads to puffiness, exaggerating hooding. But don't worry, you can strengthen and lift your eyelids with just a few simple steps. Here is my 3-step method to naturally lift hooded eyelids and brighten your eyes. Step 1. Eyelid Lifting Exercise. The key to lifting hooded eyelids is strengthening the levator palpebrae superioris muscle. Here's how to do it. Place your index fingers just under your eyebrows and gently lift them upward. Slowly close your eyes while keeping resistance with your fingers. Hold for 3 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 times to strengthen and lift the upper eyelid muscles. Step 2. Eye area massage with plant oil. Apply a tiny drop of your favorite plant oil to your fingertips. I am using Beauty Biological Plump Oil, which is made of 100% Plum Kernel Oil. Use gentle tapping motions, stimulate circulation around your eyes. This boosts lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, and helps firm the delicate eyelid skin, giving a natural lifted effect. Step 3. Deep hydration and firming with mango butter. After your massage, apply small amounts of plant butter to the brow bone and upper eyelid area. I am using mango butter by Beauty Biologicals. This rich plant-based butter deeply hydrates, improves elasticity, and helps prevent sagging over time. Always apply skincare with a light touch. Your eyelid skin is very delicate. Want a full eye lifting routine with advanced techniques? Join my Happy Face Method membership for guided face workouts that lift, tone, and smooth your skin naturally. Click the link below for your first month free. Drop a yes in the comments if you're trying this today.